This your boy S.I. Rico. I got a real good video for y'all today. Something I've been waiting for. If you follow me on Instagram, y'all know I've been waiting for this for a while now. This is the K-Tune. This is the hybrid racing shifter. I've been waiting for this bad boy for like 4 weeks. It was on back order, but we finally got it. We're gonna do an unboxing, but let's just hold this off for a little bit because I got some people to thank, and my number one person, my number one main man, Brent. I will pronounce your name. I can't even fucking talk right now. I will pronounce your last name, Brent, but I don't want to butcher it. But my man Brent, Uncle Brent. Man, thank you so much, Brent. You letting me do that skit for the end of your video, man. Thank you. Like, that meant the world to me. And it got me into 1,100 subs. Thank you. Shout out to everyone that helped me when I was down. I'm finna say Street Speed 717. No, not Street Speed, but Honda Street Garage. Who else? There's a couple of people that didn't help me out, that gave me a shot. Who else said something? I don't want to just thank you. Period. I don't want to start naming names and forget someone, but for the people that helped me and gave me a shout out, Honda Vlogs, but for the people that helped me and gave me a shout out to help me grow my channel, thank you so much. I appreciate it. But let's get into this, what this video is about. The shifter. So let's go. It's real nice. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is aluminum, billet aluminum. You know, they got the signature color HybridRacing orange on it. This is steel. This is pretty beefy right here. The extension rod. This is real nice. Set this to the side. And then we have the shifter itself. Oh yeah, this is real nice. Yeah, this is real nice. So we have a spherical bearing right here. This bottom base have a built-in spherical bearing with a rod that goes through. Shifter bushes, ball bearings down here, rotate real nice. The craftsmanship on it, it's real clean, dude. I like this a lot. It's heavy too. And right here, this is where you can, let's get close right here. This is where, there we go. This is where you can adjust. You have your adjustment, so you loosen this bolt, and you can slide the rod in and out, back and forth. Have the Allen wrench, and unloosen these two. We're gonna unloosen them all the way so we can see if we can take it apart. Loosen that one. And when I seen that, I kind of figured this part came off too. I don't know if it was like stuck to this in some type of way. But yes, as you guys can see, this part is completely removable. Look at the contour that's built into this. That's nice. That's well crafted right there. Now let's see if the shaft comes all the way out. Yes, the shaft comes all the way out, completely out. Now you guys can see how this looks. This is really well made. This is pretty heavy too. And you guys can see how this is constructed. Yeah, this is nice, man. This is I think it's worth $300. At first, when I first seen it, the first, because there's not too many videos of this. There's only 3 videos of this shifter. 2 that HybridRacing have, and the one that La Tamila have. And I'm gonna just be honest, to me, reviewing the shifters, like the videos was mediocre at best. I think they could have went into depth with the shifter, and but I'm not throwing shades towards anyone. I just think, I just thought the videos could have been way better. But yeah, this is really, really well made. So do I think this is worth $300? I don't even have to put this in my car just yet. It's shifted to let you guys know that. The craftsmanship of this, yeah, I'll have to say this is worth $300. And now I'm not gonna just jump on HybridRacing dick, just because it's the brand new shifter and just be like, oh yeah, it's the best shifter ever, the best thing that have ever been made for B series. No, there's other shifters out there on the market that's made like this, and you can install into a Civic the way I'm gonna install the shifter. I always wanted a Cave 2 shifter for the B series, but never got one. And so this one, they just have to jump right on it, man, because it's nice. This is real nice. But yeah, this is a well-made shifter. It's got adjustment all around. So yeah, completely took it apart. So this is, it's well made. It's really, really, really well made. So do I recommend the HybridRacing shifter? So far, like every shifter is pretty much the same. But I can see them, eliminating all the problems that the stock shifter had. Because, with the shifter cup. Because this right here is just pinpoint accuracy. So yes, this is worth $300, I would say. And there's other shifters on the market that's designed like this. This is not the only shifter with a spherical bearing. Like, don't think that at all. There's other shifters out there with spherical bearings. It's just one wasn't made specifically for Honda. And I know other people like to bring up the IRP shifter. Let you guys know about that shifter real quick. That shifter was never ever intent for Hondas whatsoever. It was just a shifter that a company seen that could be installed into a Honda in some type of way and installed it. That's it. That's why the lockout on the top of the shifter don't work, because it's not made for a Honda whatsoever. It's not no somewhat of a Honda shifter. No, it's not a Honda shifter at all. It's a BMW E30 shifter that costs $500, which is totally crazy overpriced. But yeah, that's a BMW shifter. You guys will see how I will install this. It won't be the normal way that you guys think. But this your boy SR Rico. I wanted to really break this shifter down for you guys the right way and analyze it. But yeah, Hybrid, you did your stuff on this. This is nice. This is awesome. So yes, do I recommend a HybridRacing shifter? Yes, I do. This your boy SR Rico, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.